Is this actually happening? Am I going to do this? Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. Hello everyone, I really hope you are doing well. Today, I mean, you've seen the title, and yes, that is happening. I do not have a very strong relationship with my hair. I'm not one of those girls where, you know,
can't live without my hair, can't get it wet in the rain, love my hair.
That's not me. That is not me. I have no problem in cutting it, and I actually don't really have a problem in cutting it myself. I don't really have a sort of loyalty to any sort of hairdresser, to be honest. I'm a very socially awkward human being and I don't really enjoy the experience. Instead of putting myself through that, I'm gonna chop it off myself. This is probably a really bad idea, potentially not, but as soon as I get any little glimmer in my brain of, oh, her hair looks nice short, oh, my hair I quite enjoyed when it was short, oh, I want to cut my hair short. I literally like cannot go barely even like a full day without just chopping it off myself. That's what's happening here. We might as well jump straight in. To be honest, haven't even decided what length I want to go for. This is well planned. Basically, minimum here, maximum here. So we're sort of aiming for like 1.5 inch difference. If we can get there, it's all good. But basically, I've just had enough of my hair. I have really thick hair. It's just a bit of a pain and it needs a chop. And I thought, I'm not gonna trim it. That's boring. I'm gonna chop it. I cut my mother's hair. I have had no training or anything, but we're not fussy people. So I just got these scissors off of Amazon. By no means I'm telling you they're great, they're bad. They're just sort of hair cutting-ish scissors. So you've got, it's gonna go well. You've got your more sort of pointed ones, and then we have like thinning like that. As I say, got this off of Amazon. Don't know if it still exists. I got it about 2 years ago. That is the brand. So I'm gonna use those. What I'm going to do with them, don't know. I'm very quickly just going to straighten it so that we know what sort of lengths we're dealing with, because these waves aren't doing me any favours. So I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Right, so we're straightened. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get a mirror to just go here. Mirror acquired, so we've just got a mirror literally just there. Right, how are we going to do this? Okay. Just a very quick disclaimer, don't know what I'm doing. Last time I did this, I tried to like religiously follow a YouTube video. I ended up just sort of going rogue anyway. So I'm just gonna skip that bit where I'm like trying to religiously follow somebody else and do it myself. So I'm just gonna pigtail like so. Now the struggle is I have such different amounts of hair on each side. So this side I can just tell is gonna be a nightmare. What to do? Am I packing it in? Am I doing it? That is the question. If you ever want like an adrenaline rush, threaten yourself to cut your own hair. Really gets the heart a pounding. Why am I getting the scissors out like this? I'm not just going, I'm getting a bit nervous. What I'm gonna do, I think, is push down further than I'm planning on doing. And then we're gonna get majority off. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Now am I gonna do below or above? That's another question. They're not even. Brilliant. Oh, right. Shit. Right. Oh my god. I am terrified right now. Okay. I'm gonna do below it, I think. I'm pooping my pants. I actually am. No, come on. This is gonna be epic times. Okay, no, come on. Okay, right, I'm getting excited. Okay. Okay. back. Oh, da, 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 da. Oh my Christ. Oh my Christ. Okay. It's so thick. This is like the thickest ponytail I've ever cut through. Because I do it all the time. Oh my god. It's casual. It's a casual thing. Well, I can't go out looking like this, so I'm gonna have to do the other one. Right, so we've got a nice little chunk. This one will take about 4 seconds because it's so much thinner. Yeah. Okay, I'm very quickly going to show you the floor. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have not been the one, 'cause I don't like having long hair. That is so thick. Oh my god. Da, 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 da. Oh my god. What am I doing? Okay. Now this is where I don't really know what to do next. I think take out, assess, and then I'm gonna layer by layer sort this inevitable mess. Okay. Oh no! It's short as oh my god! This is shorter than I was thinking. Okay. Oh, I feel so nice. Oh my god, I'm free. I'm free to feel good. Okay. Well, that's not meant to be there. So after much closer assessment, this is really short, like really short. This may have to be like an unintentional layer because I don't know if I can chop it all that short. Oh no. No, it's gonna be fine. I probably should have watched a tutorial because the length of those bobbles I thought was gonna give me like this long, and I'm at a full-on bob, so no, it's absolutely fine. I feel liberated, may I just say. One thing, I've not checked the back. I'm gonna let you see the back first. I will warn you, from past experience, the back is normally the worst. So, what do you think? Oh no. Oh no, what's that? What are you? Who am I? To be fair, am I mad for saying apart from that really bad looking bit, it's looking quite straight? Which isn't a bad thing. Have I just done like a really good job? She says, while this is just chilling. So I've done, in fact, can I just get rid of that like straight away because it's really annoying. What length do we fancy, lads? What length? Let's just do that. Too short, probably. I've got a full-on bob, but I love it as well. Damage control, damage control. Can I put it up in a ponytail? I could, but I wouldn't want to. Have you seen? No, I'm only joking. Right. Oh, I feel so light and amazing. Oh, didn't pop this bad boy in. I'm going on holiday in less than a week, so if this turns out horrendous, we could have a problem on our hands. I'm gonna start with like the really low because I think I need to do a little bit damage control on the back. Yep. Oh no. Right, now the trick is, how the am I meant to do this? I also want to do a little bit of this thing. You know, this thing? That common phrase. We've gotten to that stage where I don't know what the I am doing. Don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. I think I'm gonna need to do a little bit of work off camera. I'll come back when I've made some sense of this layer. This bit in the back is what's causing this weird bump, so I think I'm going to try and like chop it quite short, because if you think about it, that is like too long for what the rest of my hair is. Fully winging this. Okay, so I've cut them, so hopefully... Oh, I'll just chop the whole right side off. Okay, yeah, I think that's better. Found a way to see the back. Okay, hang on. Oh, this isn't gonna work, is it? Okay, am I delirious? Well, I think this side is looking pretty good. I mean, a little bit of blending or whatever. This side, not this side. Hey? Hey? Yeah, so this side is probably the easy side. This is where the majority of my hair is. I've got a bit to go with this, I feel. While I'm here, what are we all thinking of Love Island? While I'm making this like horrendous decision, how is Love Island? When I'm filming this, I've only seen the first 2 nights. I know that Lucy's pretty, but every time that she tries to make Bev happen, I want to vomit. I don't know if it's just like a Newcastle thing, but Bev is a drink. So when she is saying that males are bevy, or that they are a bev, I get very confused. The singular time it made me laugh was when that Amy said Anton de Bev. Now that was quite humorous actually, I did quite enjoy that, but stop trying to make Bev happen. It's never gonna happen. I've gotten bored, I can't be bothered to do anymore. Oh yeah, Love Island, Curtis. I enjoy Curtis. I think he's funny and quite nice. I'd want him to be like me pal. To be honest, don't fancy any of them. Tommy Fury, obviously lovely looking. And no, he does seem nice. He does seem nice. Give us Curtis. I would have a bit of Curtis. Just for fun. And the amount of people that googled the eagle and actually broke the site. Did anyone else experience that? We are a sad, sad nation. But I really enjoy it. Right, because I'm really bored. No, this is terrible. I was like, this is me all over. I'm literally getting too bored to continue halfway through the cut. I'm just gonna try and do a bit of like, what do you call this? Like thinning or blending, you know. In fact, I'm gonna do a bit of this off camera and I'll come back with the finished thing, because I mean all I'm doing is that. Right, well, I'm probably gonna end up like having a little bit more of a go just because. However, I'm not gonna take it any further on here because I don't think it'll look that much different on camera, so I might as well sort of wrap it up here. Not gonna toot my own horn by any means, because 1,000,000% I'm gonna show my mum and there'll be a huge lump in the back, which I'll show. Yeah, I will inevitably have something wrong with it, but the overall concept I am very happy with. I am really happy. I'm just happy to have it short again. I really, really am. For now, this is me weave. I kind of fancy getting my mum's opinion actually. Mum, do you mind just coming up for 1 second?
Oh, I see. You're very, very pretty.
What do you think?
Yeah, it looks nice. That looks lovely.
Do you like it?
Yeah, turn around.
Yeah, is there anything wrong with it?
It actually looks very nice.
Good.
Amazing. You're a clever girl.
Cracking. Yeah, so this is the finished look. Let me know if you recreate it. If you're not stupid like me, you will go to a hairdresser's. I am just a big fat idiot. Yeah, this is my attempt at like a longish bobby bob chop. I'm gonna say that I've intentionally gone for like the choppy look, but really I couldn't be bothered to sit there doing that. So it's staying choppy. That's what I've gone for. If you enjoyed this video, I mean, what the hell was this video, let's be honest. But if you did enjoy it by any chance, pop it a little thumbs up down below and comment below what you think. Thank you so much for watching this utter shite. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video with me new weave. Bye!
No way.
Do you like it?
Yeah.